In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to delete recently watched reels on Instagram and clear your reels history. First, launch your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right. Now scroll down and head over to the section Your Activity. Under that, you're gonna find the Fun section. Scroll all the way down. Under How You Use Instagram, you're gonna find the option of Watch History. Clicking on that, you're gonna find all the videos that you have watched. Over there, you're gonna get the option to select the videos and remove those videos from the watch history. If you don't see watch history, it likely means Instagram has not rolled out this feature to your account yet. To speed up getting this feature, make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram app. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and then update it. For now, what you can do is navigate to this interaction section. Under this, you're gonna find these options, comments, likes. Now here you're gonna find the liked reels. Likewise, those reels where you have commented. You can remove reels from these section. All you have to do is select the reels and click on the option unlike or remove your comment. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.